Alright, so I don't know what part this is, but welcome to whatever part. Today I am going to do the head because I'm waiting on my pistons and I don't know if I filmed. I was going to film something with, I wanted to get the pistons in, and then when I looked at them they were press wrist pin. So those are on hold. There's a shop that's going to do those. So I'm going to do this because everything else came. I got my retainers, I got the springs, I got the little tool to do it, so it should be good. Don't know what I'm doing with this. This also isn't like the ideal workspace, but it'll work. And I don't know what. I don't know what. Oh. Interesting. Okay. Don't know what those are. They look like they rotate on something. I'm pretty sure it's got to come out. But I'm not doing that if I don't have to, so we'll find out here shortly. But let me get the let me get these off. Let me get the tool out and see how that's gonna mount up. I'm pretty sure how it works is there's bolts. They bolt here, and then there's a like a slide spot where you can get to both valves, and it just has a little compressor deal on it. And you just push it down, and they gave you a little magnet. So that's why I'm thinking these have to come out. So I will take those out and see if I can't get that little tool mounted. So just give me 1 second. So it bolts to those two holes there. Hold the cam caps. And then if we can see, it's just got a little deal there that presses down on everything, and there's a bolt that goes in here for the one and there for the other, and then they just give you a little magnet to pull the keepers out, and then everything should just come out. So if that's how this is gonna work, we should be able to do that right now. Now that they're out of there, I should be able to show you now kind of better what I did, because I also changed lenses. So, got the valves out. I just have them in order here with the stems and stuff, or with the seats. Here's the old springs. The seals are thrown away because they're junk. But now you can see what I was working on. Those were a bitch to get out of there. So I'm gonna go tip this up, I think, just on the side, see if that works, and try and spray it with some cleaner. And then once I'm done, we'll get set back up over here and do everything over again, but backwards. So I got everything in. We got it all cleaned up and everything. All the all the new springs, retainers, all the new seals are on. So now, once this all goes back together, we can put the other cams in, and should be good. I don't think there's anything else I have to do with this. I think that was it. Other than that, we are now good until I get my pistons. Actually, that's a lie, because I could port the intake manifold. Word on the street is the factory intake manifold makes more power than the skunk one. So I am going to be porting this out and opening up. There's like a, pretty sure this opens up, and the half between here, there's like a spacer or plenum or whatever you want to call it, and it's got like little dividers in it. You just cut them all out and then Dremel it all out and just make it one big open hole, and apparently it makes more power than the skunk one. Otherwise, that's all. So I will see you in the next video, which should be pistons and rod installation. We'll see how that goes. But I'm going home because I'm tired. So we'll see if I can drop how many of these down. Shit. So I've discovered what is going to be the fun part, and that's this. This is really irritating, I'm gonna be honest. There's no such thing as way too much assembly, Lou. What do you mean? God, my hands are not steady enough for this. Shit. Why? Why did you come out? We got one, boys and girls. Heck to the yeah, you can't even see this.